Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel MSI Analytics. So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can increase text size for all the visuals altogether. So let's dive into the video. So what do I mean by increasing the text size for all the visuals altogether? So for example, if we want to increase the text size for this table, we will have to select this visual and then we will have to go into the format your visual options. After that, we are going to select the values and then we will have to increase the size from here, but it will only increase the size for this particular visual only. So now let's learn how we can increase the size for all the visuals altogether. So for that, we will have to go into the view option. After that, we are going to select this drop down. Then we are going to scroll down and we are going to select customize current theme. After that, we are going to go in text and then we will increase the font size from 10 to let's say 13 or 14 and then we will click apply. So now it has increased the text size for each of the visuals, and if you are going to create more visuals inside this dashboard, it is going to select this particular size, which is 14 that we have selected from the view option. This was a quick, easy, short tutorial to let you know how to increase the text size for all the visuals altogether.